to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have this red chard that I will be making, and these are the red chard. I want to show you how I make my red chard leaf. So watch out and see how I am going to be making this vegetable called red chard, and it's very healthy leaf, and you also can make it also. The first part of this leaf is to take out all the, you see, all the red stem. We're going to use everything, so except the hard part. So just take out all the red stem and continue with it until you remove all the leaves. So these are all the leaves now. These are the leaves, it's already picked now. These are the stem, the red stem, and these are the leaves, the green part. So wash out, and I will slice them up. You can chop it or slice it. So I'm going to chop and slice anyone with this stem, and I'm going to show you how I will make the both together. Just the stem, the harder part, you throw it away. The one that is soft for you to cut, and then we use them. So wash out. So it's going to slice now. You can see how it will look. These are all the stems. You see, so these are the stem. So these are the leaves, the red chard. So these are the leaf, and these are the stem and the onions. So watch out how I am going to make this vegetable sauce for side dish. So it's time to add some oil to the pot. And we'll add the chopped onion. We're going to add the stem to the onion so that they can roast together. These are the red chard, the stem. So actually we're just going to have a little bit of sauce to eat. Let it cook for at least 2 minutes before we add the green stem, the green leaf to it. You can see how the color has changed. So right away we're just gonna add the leaf to it, the greener part of the leaf. So this is stir-fry red chard leaf. You can use it to eat anything, just stir-fry it. This one I'm going to do it for another 2 minutes. So right now, you see, I'll break it down for just 35 seconds. So now I will just add, if you like, you don't really have to do it. I'm just going to add chili pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili pepper, and I will be adding 1 tablespoon of seasoning. That's it. I'm going to stir everything together, and voila, it's ready. So it's already cooked now. We just have to bring it down and serve. So it's time to serve it. This delicious stir-fry red chard. Very, very delicious. Wow. These are all vegetable. You can eat it with yam. You can eat it also with rice. It's side dish. You see, this is it. It's very healthy and delicious. Of your favorite dish you want to eat. Thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. Bye for now.